Ready ba kayo manood ng movies? Because today we are diving to the wonderful world of Inside Out 2, the highly anticipated sequel to the original movie that took us on emotional roller coaster. So what exactly is Inside Out 2 about? The movie takes us inside the mind of an 11 years old girl named Riley, where we met her emotions, joy, sadness, fear, anger, and disgust. These emotions live in headquarters, the control center of Riley's mind, and help her navigate through life's ups and downs. Is seeing this movie is worth it? In my opinion, yes. The movie is worth it because it makes a lot of sense and it has visually stunning and convincing content na yung maisip mo, ganun talaga yung nangyari sa loob ng utak mo. Inside Out wasn't just an animated film but it is also one of the best recommended film this year. Sa Inside Out 2, makikita mo yung sarili mo kay Riley. Masasabi mo na lang, it makes so much sense. The first portion of the film showed the obvious side of our mind. But the second section delves deeper. It illustrates how our perspective shifts from present to future and how our feelings and emotions get more complicated as we grow. Eventually, you will realize that all of the positive and negative aspect of our thoughts and personality are entirely typical. As a typical, we are only thinking about these things. Thus, anxiety is at the top of the list. Let me begin by emphasizing that the personification of anxiety is really realistic. For example, when you visualize anxiety, you can actually picture this character in all of its details. The hair, the voice, the moves, and her eyes, which demonstrate how anxiety finds it extremely difficult to listen to other feelings. And perhaps that's really because she was always stressed out. Next is envy, which is significant representation because envy is a feeling that a lot of teenagers experience and is typically met with judgment. However, this film demonstrates how jealousy can actually provide you with a great depth deal of insight into what you want for yourself. In sense, envy helps you to create your own self-image dahil makikita mo kung ano ang mga bagay na gusto mo at hindi mo gusto, and we can be impressionable. And of course, we have embarrassment. Wala naman sigurong tao nakakaranas na wala silang kahihiyan sa bawat buhay nila. Embarrassment serves as a reminder that you don't always have to confront things heads on. Sometimes, it's better to keep to yourself and need some time to process things before come out to your shell. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na hindi ka pa din dapat makinig sa sarili mo, na hindi ka na magsasalita at mananahimik ka na lang palagi at hindi ka makikipag-interact sa iba. This emotion is always accurate to any one of us. Anyway, his interests, it appears like you, are forced to be there even you don't want to. Ennui does not necessarily refer to the boredom we all face on a daily basis. One major lesson is that all of our emotions, even the one we see as a negative, are important. For instance, sadness plays a crucial role in helping Riley process her feelings and connect with others. This teaches us that it is okay to feel sometimes. It is a natural part of being a human. The movie always show how Riley adapt to big changes, like moving to a new city. Her emotions are all over the place, but she learns to cope with the new situation. This reminds us that change can be tough, but it's also a part of growing up. To wrap things up, Inside Out teaches us that all emotions are important. Change is a part of our life, and our memories shape who we are. and it is a wonderful reminder to embrace all our feelings and understand our roles in our lives. Throughout the movie, we are reminded of the importance of embracing all of our emotions, even though ones may seem difficult or uncomfortable. By acknowledging and accepting our feelings, we can better understand ourselves and others, leading to healthier relationship and personal growth.